Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. iPhone users are getting an issue on their iPhone that spam filtering not working. In this video I will show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, turn off and on filter unknown sender. For that, first we have to go to settings, then tap messages, and we have to scroll and turn off filter unknown sender. Before enable this option, we have to force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the forced restart, we have to launch settings, tap on General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. After checking the latest iOS version, we have to go back to General and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset and tap Reset All Settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again Reset All Settings to confirm. Doing these steps, we have to go back to settings, messages, scroll and enable filter unknown sender, and your problem will be solved. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.